I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the XM5 and disconnecting Bluetooth to prevent accidental inputs. Once done, remove the ear cups gently from the headband and set them on a clean, flat surface. Make sure to keep any small parts separated. Use a soft brush to dislodge dust from creases while avoiding pressure on drivers. Dip a cotton swab lightly in 70% isopropyl and blot. Do not soak, then run around edges of the mesh. This first step prevents liquid ingress and readies the cans for deeper cleaning. Now you tackle the cushions and driver area carefully. Remove foam pads and wipe the leather or fabric with a damp cloth using a mild soap solution. Rinse cloth and repeat until residue is gone, then blot dry. For the mesh and driver rims, use a dry, soft brush to clear particles, followed by a barely damp cotton swab around the perimeter. Never press on the driver. Once finished, air dry all components on a towel for 30 to 60 minutes. Make sure to confirm complete dryness before reassembly. Reassembly is straightforward. Align and press cushions back onto their mounts, refit any covers, and tighten screws gently if present. Power on and pair the headphones to your device. Play test audio and cycle ANC modes to confirm functionality. If you hear distortion or uneven sound, make sure no moisture remains and repeat cleaning on problematic areas. If problems persist despite drying, perform a factory reset. And if that fails, contact Sony support for inspection. This troubleshooting step avoids
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.